G'day guys, welcome back to What's in the Barn. Today I've got a very special car, probably one of my favourite Mazda models. I've had a couple myself. This one is a really fine example, so let's see what's in the barn. Come on out, mate. Beautiful Series 1 78 JDM Rx7. Alright, we're here with Mark and his beautiful 78 Series 1 Savanna GT. Absolutely beautiful, mate. Thanks for coming out.
Thanks, pal. No worries.
Tell us a bit about it. So I heard you bought it as a shell?
Yeah, bought a bare shell, probably going back 7 years now.
Yep.
Needed a lot of work just to get body kit off it, that sort of thing.
Yep.
Was rust free, which was a bonus.
Yep.
And yeah, slowly pieced it back together.
Yeah, perfect. I can imagine these guard mirrors weren't the easiest to find.
No, they were sourced out of Japan.
Yeah.
At a hefty price.
Yeah.
But
Japan, was it Yahoo Japan?
yeah, Yahoo Japan.
Yeah.
Through Streeter.
Yep.
He imported it for me.
Yep.
But yeah, you can't have a Savanna without.
Oh mate, it
mirrors.
makes them, mate, for sure. I love how you got the stock wheels on, mate.
Yeah, managed to find a set.
Yeah.
Rear one's machined out to fit over a Series 2 disc rear end.
Yep.
Cleaned up nice.
Yep. What sort of driveline you got, mate? You got a 12A in it?
Yeah, 12A Bridgie.
Yep.
Direct fire ignition.
Yep.
IDA on it.
Yep. Do you want to give us a look?
Sure.
Hey, nice interior. Yeah, nice and clean, mate.
So got rid of a lot of the wires.
Yep.
As much as I could. But yeah, a lot of it's still standard. Cooling system's a bit of an upgrade. Ignition system.
Yep.
Yeah, coilovers from Acron.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, I remember a couple of years ago, Polly bought some struts off me to do that conversion.
Yeah, didn't want to hack up the original Series 1 struts I had, so...
A lot of these guys probably don't know, but when you came around, I think I had 4 sitting in the shed. Now I got none, so...
It's like the Savanna Mecca.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I didn't have many rare parts, but they're all long gone now. Everyone's filtered me out. But yeah, man, beautiful car. Gorgeous.
Yeah, so still trying to piece together some of the Savanna interior.
Yep.
Obviously, had nothing when I got it.
So I noticed on your build thread online that I think you painted it yourself. Is that right?
Yeah, gave it a spray up myself.
Yeah.
First car I'd painted base clear.
Yep.
So come up alright.
Yep.
But
mate, you can't complain. I'm looking at it in person, and it's absolutely beautiful, mate.
Yeah, thanks.
Should credit to you, especially for your first time.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
do you do any more paint jobs, mate?
Hey. No, it's good to just have a crack yourself, and you know, if you fail, you can always sand it back and start again.
Yeah,
but,
just like Rockies, that's how you learn.
Yeah, that's it.
So you got a Weber on it, classic rotary with a Weber.
Yeah, being a Kiwi, I love me old IDAs.
You love your big pulse.
Yeah.
Where's the modgies, mate?
Yeah, no modgies, but I've got hot wires for it, so it's the next best thing. No eagers. Yeah.
No, mate, it's good to see. Some of you guys won't know, but little things like the body line rubbers, almost impossible to get. So it's good that he's got the correct body rubbers on. He's got the Savanna mirrors, like he just explained, is pretty impossible to get. In Australia, 78s, I believe some 79s were technically like a Japanese import. So we can actually call these JDM because they were made for the Japanese market and imported into Australia. Some of the features were, I'll run through it quickly, some of the features were JDM delivered Rx7s had guard mirrors, but then Mazda Australia welded the guards up and just fitted them on the door. But if you have a 78 Series 1, you can feel under your guard and you can probably feel the plate they've either bogged or welded in. Some of the little quirks, like the bonnet stay, you'll see that it connects up to the bay. The Oz Delivered connects up the other way around, so it latches down here and hooks into your bonnet. A couple other little features that are quite noticeable are the number plate lights. They're chrome on JDM versions, and I think just black on Ozspec. All JDMs have a badge right down there. Again, Mazda Australia bogged those two little pinholes up, but if you feel actually inside your hatch, you should be able to feel two little holes in there. Yeah, so there's a few little quirks. Instrument cluster is a bit different. I think they got to 180 or something.
Yeah.
JDMs.
Yeah.
They had different interiors, which is like hen's teeth to get these days, just because, yeah, I don't know, it's just really hard. The lower lips were metal, so you'll see the Mazdas have like a little subtle lower lip on the front guards. They're all metal. I think the later ones could be plastic. But besides that, oh yeah, the guard badges are a bit different. I think you had Savanna badges only on one guard for some reason.
Yeah, it looked a bit off centre, so I
Yeah.
chucked an extra.
Yeah.
Fender blinkers as well.
Yeah, so you've got all the JDM spec fender blinkers and the actual orange covers in the front bar. So Ozspec have a combination of orange and clear.
And clear.
Yep, so you've got the full orange, which is super cool. So mate, for the parts that you're able to get and stuff, you've done quite well.
Yeah,
Like,
it's a long road.
When you restore one, it's almost impossible to find everything exact, but how you've done it with the guard mirrors, all the little hints of JDM stuff, mate, it's a perfect cruiser, and it's a real credit to you, man. Congratulations.
Thank you very
Got a
much.
beautiful car. And a lot of people that know me know that I love Series 1 RX7, so this is probably like, a build like this is probably something that I would do spot on and have as like my car that I keep and my dream car. We were just talking about that before, that I wouldn't mind building another JDM version, so it's real cool to have you in today, man.
Thank you.
I get to see one that's really well done. So yeah, we're going to whack a camera in the car, and then we're going to take you down the beach because it's a beautiful Melbourne day.
Yep.
So we'll stop by St Kilda or something and do a couple cinematics and stuff like that, and give you guys the sound of the mighty Bridgeport. You reckon one day you will turn to the dark side like Rocky, mate?
Maybe, maybe.
Kiwis love their port, so I'm surprised it's not like Monster or PP or something like that.
Yeah, I've got the PP in the shed.
There you go. There you
Ready
go.
for the
True
build,
Kiwi.
so yeah.
They love their 10k shifts. Alright, I'm going to end this here. Let's give you one last look. Alright, next we'll be cruising.
I was just a little bit too high, I think.
Right, I might have to adjust it back again.
Just above the tops.
Hey, it's got some wool for a bloody NA.
Yeah, just for a little 12A and don't argue too much.
You can definitely tell it's a strong build.
Yeah, it's probably not far past getting run in out of all of us. Yeah, you see the temp, it's fucking right, isn't it?
Yeah, especially that's a good cooling system though,
Yeah.
because you know you can cruise in 40 degrees. You know?
Yeah, and just sit
Yeah.
in traffic.
Yeah.
Oh, I wouldn't be cruising at 40 degrees.
No.
The old tunnel gets a little bit hot. Yeah, she's a Windows 10 car.
Yeah, the best type.
Yeah. stepbrothers to thank for the bug as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he gave it to me hard. He had a Rx7 Savanna coupe.
Yeah, beautiful.
Perfectly original,
Yeah.
just beautiful car.
Yeah.
And after I took it for a good drive, you know, that was me. It was pretty much hooked myself.
Thanks for coming out, brother.
Yeah, no, it's been a pleasure, mate.
Hope you guys enjoyed what's in the barn. We're going to cruise back home.